Hi everyone, welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to use Clipboard on your Android phone. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to use Clipboard in your Android, then I will show you how to use this. First of all, we will open any chat. You can say already I open here chat. In this you will find here your Clipboard shortcut. You can see here GIF, this gear icon. Here you can see the Clipboard shortcut. If you are not seeing this Clipboard shortcut here, what you have to do, you have to, in left side you will find this 4 boxes icon. Just tap on that. In this you can see here Clipboard. You can directly open from here, or else if you want to keep shortcut, just hold and drag it to here. You can see now the Clipboard shortcut is added here. So just tap to open that Clipboard. If it is disabled, you just need to enable this. Then tap on this pencil mark edit option. Then tap on plus. Add any clipboard, like for example, hi everyone. Then tap on save. You can add multiple messages like this. Add another. Just tap on save. You can see I had added 2 clipboards. So I will go back. Suppose if I want to use this every time, so what I will do, just tap on this message option, tap on this clipboard, just select this clipboard, then tap on send. Then again, if I want to send second, just tap on send. So like this you can use your Clipboard history on your Android. That's it guys. So in this way you can use your Clipboard in your Android. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.